In 1975, scientists discovered the astonishing journey of monarch butterflies. These delicate creatures travel over 3,000 miles from Canada to central Mexico. Why such a long journey? Monarchs seek the perfect climate to survive winter. In the 16th century, Aztecs believed these butterflies were the souls of warriors returning home. Their migration path was a mystery until Fred Urquhart, a Canadian zoologist, tracked them using tiny tags. This epic journey highlights nature's wonders and the interconnectedness of life. Monarchs remind us of resilience and the power of nature's cycles. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.